Okay, after his run?
After your run.
Okay, cool.
Go one more time, then park. We're going to take our 30-minute break after that green car right there.
All right, sounds good, buddy.
Cool, thanks.
We're also past pre-stage, but that's all right, because they shot it for him. God bless. .9. That was a really bad run. Did you feel a lack of traction throughout the entire thing?
A little bit.
I couldn't keep it from oversteering. I mean, understeering. And as soon as it starts to understeer, I'd try to flip it into an oversteer, and it would just immediately lose the rear end. Should just tell that fella to hop in. I think it don't look like they're enforcing the helmet rule, really. What I'm gonna do this time is just try to do it completely smooth and see if we can break the minute mark. The last we got like a 60.09. People are 10 seconds shy of our last time, or 10 seconds less. So we were like 10 seconds off pace, which is bad. Papa Tom. That was faster by far.
God, that puts a smile on my face.
Hey, they're not checking shit. You want to hop in and do a last one?
Sure.
I mean, if you just want to... I don't think they'll give you no grief. I just want to run. You want?
I want here.
You sure, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Yeah, we were thinking they never searched shit. They haven't even and took our first ticket. We only paid for 3 runs.
I thought it was like 35 bucks for unlimited or some shit.
50. It's like, it's 20 for 3. But last year, they never took my tickets when I did 3. So I thought, why the hell would I pay for a limited when I already got it limited?
He's fucking getting it for damn stock suspension.
Who, me?
I'd hate to see what you could do with the suspension I had on my car.
I used to do a lot of like iRacing and shit. I know that don't equate 100%, but I really don't think they're gonna call you out. Cause like, they haven't even taken tickets. Like seriously, these people aren't the most caring type. Huh?
Not gonna lie, if I have my car right now, I'd be fucking right behind you on it.
I don't, yeah.
But I will say, my tires ain't the best for rain.
I've literally just gone on all terrains.
Hey, Firestone Indy 500s on it.
Oh yeah?
You don't mind me asking, what you running?
4. $350, but nothing.
They don't need to know that.
When I get injectors, right?
When everything's running right.
When everything's running right, yeah.
Past that, who cares?
It will be in a couple months, so. Yeah, I think the old computer played nice with the injectors, but these just wouldn't have it for some reason. I want to put
What
it
transmission are you running?
like a T5.
Just the regular T5?
Well, we built it ourselves a little bit, but overall, just yeah, stock.
I give my car 2-spec trans. It's still a T5, but it's got a .63 gear instead of a .68 gear for the 5th gear.
Oh.
And let me tell you, you put a 355 behind that, you won't have to damn use anything but 5th gear on the highway. You'll just be cruising. But
That is smart.
we know.
They're not even fucking looking. I think you're good. You can literally just sit there.
Oh, it gets you in trouble or anything.
I don't give a shit. I live like 2 states fucking away.
I'll let the military boys see what happens.
Yeah. We'll teach you how to sham real good.
So, I ain't telling you. Lots of things.
It takes a long time. They took out all the other bulbs. Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah.
That wasn't bad. Couple little bad spots in it, but all in all.
Hell yeah.
Was it fun?
Fuck yeah.
Oh.
I don't know why you say you're a bad driver.
Oh. Get you out of your tomb.
Okay, who wants to let the car of the car?